In this lesson, we're going to be learning about Booleans. So, as we talked about when we learned about data types, we learned that a Boolean was a true or a false value. So you might be wondering, how do Booleans fit into programming? And they fit in very commonly. For instance, if you wanted to represent the state of whether or not a user is logged in or logged out of your application, you could represent that within a Boolean. The syntax is an annoying but important part of programming. So syntax is the way you have to order or write your code, and kind of also the styling you have to also take into consideration when writing your code. In Python is very syntax oriented. So when you write a Boolean, the first letter of the Boolean should be capitalized and the rest should be lowercased. So let's take a look at how we can initialize some Booleans in Pycharm. So I'll go ahead and create a new file. And we'll just call this lesson6.py. And I'll go ahead and create some variables. So we can say name is Luigi equals true, or is over 21 equals false. And we can also do, as we just saw, we could set that equal to true. And if we wanted to, we could go ahead and print these out as we talked about in the past, and I can go ahead and run this. Wrong one. Run. And you can see by outputting the value of name is Luigi, we get true. And that's just a little recap on what we talked about when we introduced Booleans in the data types lesson.